So this eye is with lashes and this eye is without. And you can clearly see the difference, right? Hi guys, what's up, what's up? My name is JeanitaMarieBlue, and if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and be sure to turn on that notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up my bluebies, my tribe, it is so good to see you. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Today I'm here to give you guys a quick review on some faux mink lashes. Guys, these lashes are absolutely beautiful. I've been wearing them for a while, so I can come and give you guys an accurate full review. So today's brand of lashes that we'll be talking about is by a brand called Jimire, Jimire. I believe it's pronounced Jimire. And these are the Hello Beauty lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you what they look like. So here are the lashes. These top two lashes are already kind of out of their case because I've been wearing them already. I wore these lashes a total of 5 times so far. I slept in them once, which I don't recommend sleeping in your lashes, but if you do and if you can, sleep like Sleeping Beauty, okay? And again, they're still lasting me. I take them off, they're still full. I don't see any shedding from these lashes, and they do look really good still. I haven't put any product on them, and that is what they look like. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lashes for you. So I like to apply my lashes first and foremost with Duo Lash Glue. I use the white glue because I feel like the white glue allows me to easily take off the lashes without ripping any of my natural lashes out. So I really like to use this Duo Lash Glue. And so what I really love about my eyes is the way that my eye goes up. And so when you get the lash, you need to be sure that you shape and bend the lash you need to shape and bend the lash to fit your eye. So as you can see, my eye is pretty slanted. I have a natural slant in my eye. And so what I like to do before I actually apply my lashes, I just kind of like to shape it and kind of bend it to form the way my eye actually is. If you have more almond eyes, you can most definitely shape it to fit that. And I just like to curve it a little bit so when I apply it, it will lay as flat as possible. So I went ahead and I curved my lash. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glue. Know that you don't need a lot of glue. A little goes a long way. So my lash glue got like stuck in it. So a quick fix for that, if you find you can't squeeze your glue out, it's like, what is it doing? It's not coming out. Take some scissors and slightly just cut off the top, a little bit of the bottom, okay? So boom, there we go. All right, so now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the glue and I'm gonna cover my lash. Remember, you don't need to use a lot of glue. A little goes a long way. And I'm just laying the glue across. You guys can see. It's white, so hopefully you guys can see. So this is what the lash looks like. Now you kind of want to let the glue dry and get tacky. If you just try to put this right on your eye, it's gonna slip, it's gonna fall off, and it's gonna be super messy, and you don't want that. You wanna take it, you want it to be nice and tacky so it can stick. Think about it. If you're using something and it's not tacky, you try to glue it, it's gonna slip and slide around. But if it's tacky, you'll be good to go. What I like to do in this meantime while this wait is I like to go ahead and I like to put the glue on the other lash, and then once the glue is on the other lash, this one should be about right. So just go ahead and fan it, blow it, do whatever you want to do. But you don't want to dry it out. You don't want it to be completely dry. Apply the lash. Now, when you apply the lash, I would rather have more lash on the out area than then more on the inner area and missing on the out. That doesn't look good. So what you want to do is kind of start it on the out and then let it flow in, because that's a more natural gradation than it's stopping mid-eye, and you don't want that, okay? Some people like to use tweezers. I personally like to use my hands because I feel like it gives it a little bit more control. especially because these Jimire faux mink lashes are so long and beautiful. I can just grab it like this and I'm good to go. So once it's tacky and I have it to a point where I like and I'm happy, just go ahead and apply it to my lid. So once you actually have the lash on, I like to go ahead and I like to press my real lashes and the faux lashes together. So as you can see, I still have a little bit of white residue, but once the glue completely dries, that turns clear, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash off camera, and I'll be back to give you my thoughts on these Jimire Mink false lashes, okay? So this eye is with lashes and this eye is without. And you can clearly see the difference, right? Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when I have both lashes on my eye. Obviously, these lashes are absolutely gorgeous. One tip that I do want to give you for your lashes is that when you have lashes on, sometimes they tend to droop your eyes on and make you look a little sleepy or tired, and you don't want to look like that. You want to look vibrant and awakened, right? So the secret is basically just curl your lashes, and you can do that just by using your fingers. So what I like to do is I like to look down, I like to just kind of push up on the lashes to kind of just give them an extra boost, like, hey, let's not lay down, let's more like stand up. And so now it kind of open your eyes up a little bit more, you can see more and have a little bit more clarity. Okay, so what are my thoughts about these lashes? Initially looking online, just really trying to find some quality lashes that looked really pretty. Basically just gave me that 3D mink look, and I really wanted that. One thing I will say about the lashes is I thought they would be a little bit more furry. In my opinion, they do seem a little bit plasticky, but not super plastic. It seems like maybe like a synthetic fiber or something like that. But then again, they are faux mink lashes and not real mink lashes. So there's no animal testing or anything like that involved in this whatsoever. I do really like these lashes. They're very light. I don't feel like I have anything on my eyes. I do recommend trimming them if they're too long for your eyes. That's not a problem at all. I think they're amazing. What is this, number 6 time that I'm wearing these, and I still have 2 fresh pair here. I'll probably wear these. I mean, I have no reason not to wear these, but I'll probably wear these on like whenever I feel like just getting cute. But if I go to like an event or something like that, just having that really like fresh pair, it's super helpful. Guys, these lashes were super inexpensive. I think they're maybe 2 to 3 something a piece per for a pair of lashes, which is absolutely insane. I think that's just completely a steal deal. I'll put all that information down below. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Subscribe. My name is JeanitaMarieBlue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, love, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Ciao.